Good evening everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. I'm here with my today's video, and this topic is going to be very interesting for all the students and it will be very beneficial for all of them. If you have all gone through the videos of Urdu versus English of present tense, now this is the time to understand the Urdu versus English of passive voice sentences. Like for active voice, translation is a bit easier, but for passive voice sentences, the analyzation of the sentence is very important, and then applying all the rules of passive voice, you are able to translate Urdu sentences into English. I'll explain all the aspects one by one, their positive, negative and interrogative sentences, but the sentences will be in passive voice. So we will understand their identification and then we will translate them into English. So all of you must watch this video till end, and if you have any questions then you can ask me in the comment section. I'll take start with present indefinite tense. Let me tell you about the helping verbs of passive voice sentences that are is, am and are. These are the helping verbs that are used in the passive voice English sentences. Very first sentence is यहाँ सामान नीलाम किया जाता है. दा है is the identification of present indefinite tense. Luggage is auction here. घड़े पानी से भरे जाते हैं. Pitchers are filled with water. दोपहर के वक्त आराम किया जाता है. Rest is taken at noon. You can go through the rules of active passive voice in the video. I'll share the link in description. जंगली जानवरों को भगा दिया जाता है. Wild beasts are driven away. शरीफ आदमी की इज्जत की जाती है. ती है is the identification of present indefinite tense. A gentleman is respected. दांत सुबह साफ किए जाते हैं. Teeth are cleaned in the morning. कश्ती चप्पुओं से चलती है. A boat is rowed with oars. मुझे इनाम दिया जाता है. I am given a prize. For negative sentences, स्कूलों में नावल नहीं पढ़ाए जाते हैं. पढ़ाए जाते हैं is the action that is done by someone, but there is no subject. So this is passive voice sentence. Novels are not taught in schools. कमज़ोर लड़के को इनाम नहीं दिया जाता है. A weak boy is not given a prize. मुझे बैंक से कर्जा नहीं दिया जाता है. I am not given loan by the bank. मुझे तंग क्यों किया जाता है. Why am I teased? स्कूल का मुआयना कब किया जाता है. When is the school inspected? क्या यहाँ मरीजों का इलाज मुफ्त किया जाता है. जाता है is the identification of present indefinite tense. It is done by someone but the subject is not here. So this is passive sentence. Are the patients treated here free of charge? गाँव में कारखाने नहीं लगाए जाते हैं. Factories are not set up in the villages. Now it's time for present continuous tense. The helping verbs for passive voice are is being, am being and are being. First example is खतूत डाक में डाले जा रहे हैं. Letters are being posted. पतंगें उड़ाई जा रही हैं. Kites are being flown. कई किस्म के खाने तैयार किए जा रहे हैं. Now this action is done by someone. Many kinds of dishes are being prepared. गवाहों के बयान लिए जा रहे हैं. Now this action is in process and it is going on by the help of someone, but the subject is not mentioned here. The statements of witnesses are being recorded. इस मुकदमे का फैसला सुनाया जा रहा है. The judgment of this case is being announced. हादसे की कहानी बयान की जा रही है. The story of the accident is being told. बशीर की दरख्वास्त नामंजूर की जा रही है. Bashir's application is being rejected. एक अच्छी किताब जल्द ही शाया की जा रही है. A good book is being published soon. आपकी दरख्वास्त पर गौर किया जा रहा है. Your application is being considered. फीस यहाँ वसूल नहीं की जा रही है. Fee is not being received here. इस स्कूल को किताबों का अतिया नहीं दिया जा रहा है. जा रहा है is the continuous action. Books are not being donated to this school. मुझे जर्मनी नहीं भेजा जा रहा है. I am not being sent to Germany. Now questions. यहाँ मछलियाँ क्यों पकड़ी जा रही हैं? First of all, analyze the sentence. That which tense is this? रही हैं is present continuous tense. Then according to the subject you have to use proper helping verb. Why are fish being caught here? चाय की दावत किसको दी जा रही है? Who is being invited to tea? Now it's time for present perfect tense, and the helping verbs for present perfect tense are has been and have been for passive voice sentences. तलबा के पर्चे देखे जा चुके हैं. उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ परफेक्ट टेंसेस चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है. So here we have चुके हैं. Students answer books have been marked. मुझ पर इनायत की जा चुकी है. I have been given a favor. गांव में पानी मुहैया करने के लिए इक़दाम किए जा चुके हैं. Someone has already done this action, but subject is not mentioned here. Steps have been taken to supply water to the village. मुझे फ़ौजी मुलाजमत के लिए वापस बुलाया जा चुका है. I have been recalled for army services. लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाया जा चुका है. People have been befooled. मुल्ज़िम अदालत में लाए जा चुके हैं. The accused have been brought into the court. ये खबर अखबारात में शाया हो चुकी है. This news has been published in the newspapers. Negative sentences. इस मामले पर बहस नहीं की जा चुकी है. चुकी है is the identification of present perfect tense. This matter has not been discussed. गोश्त डब्बों में बंद नहीं किया जा चुका है. The meat has not been packed in tins. खिलाड़ियों को सर्टिफिकेट नहीं दिए जा चुके हैं. The players have not been awarded certificates. तुम्हें क्यों सज़ा दी जा चुकी है? Why have you been punished? मेहमानों को कहाँ बिठाया जा चुका है? Where have the guests been seated? किताबें क्यों फाड़ दी गई हैं? Why have the books been torn? मुझे तोहफ़े दिए गए हैं. I have been given presents. So this was all about Urdu versus English of passive voice sentences of present tense. Kindly go through your practice, check out the examples and understand how to translate Urdu sentences of passive voice into English. Keep one thing in mind, that in passive voice sentences the focus is on the object. Subject is not there, subject is not mentioned, and you have to analyze them and then translate them easily. Now it's time for a quiz. I am going to give you a few statements. Just check out your own understanding of passive voice sentences Urdu versus English. क्या आज का काम ख़त्म कर लिया गया है? मुझसे काम नहीं करवाए जाते हैं. क्या उनकी मदद की जा रही है? क्या गरीबों की मदद की जाती है? क्या इमारतों पर झंडे नहीं लहराए जा रहे हैं? फल हर रोज़ कहाँ ले जाए जाते हैं? Now it's time to answer the statements. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.